Class, before I proceed to do the bed making, let me introduce first to you the different parts of the bed. So here, we have the mattress. With this mattress, you will see that here on this part, we have January, February, March. Here, April, May, and June. At the bottom part here, July, August, September. And here at the bottom, October, November, December. Why is it necessary that we need to have this month? Because every 3 months you need to reverse the sides of the bed to maintain the neatness and the good condition of the bed. Then here, we have the bed box, the bed legs, the headboard. So that is the part of the bed, including the lampshade. So in the establishment, we have what we call different types of lampshade. So this is a bedside light. This is complete already. Okay? Then I will start now to do the beddings. The most important thing is you need to have the bed pad, no? Bed pad is very important because it maintains the what we call the firmness and the cleanliness of the mattress. So first, you need to find out which one is the one with the wrong side position and the tag. So this one, for sure, it's gonna be from the bottom part. So put that one. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Make sure that it's even. Okay. So once that is all set, you need to place the what we call the flat sheet, no? First flat sheet in a right side position. Okay? So you need to do it alone, no? Without any help. No? Right? Bend, don't forget to bend your knee. Why is it necessary that you need to bend your knee? To support your back. Kasi that is one of the problem of the room attendant if they're not going to take care of their back. No? Okay, so once that is even, that is good, you can start to do your beddings. So that is the first sheet, the flat sheet, followed with the second bed sheet, which is in a wrong side position. Okay, so meaning, this is the wrong side and this is the right side. Then, what you're going to do, one foot going back, one is in the front. So, and then, you have to find out the middle part of the bed sheet. Make sure there are two even. Then, what you're going to do first, you need to do that one. Do the fisherman because you're a first timer. Do the fisherman. 1, 2, 3, and then put all together. Then throw. Throw until you reach there. Okay. One more time. Another time. Okay. Okay, so once that is all set, next is the blanket, which is in the right side position. Right side position. Okay. So same thing, throw. Make sure that it's 10 inches away from the edge of the mattress, no? So until there, no? Okay, same thing. Find the middle. Make sure the tag is on the bottom part. Bottom part. Okay, 10 inches. Yeah. Okay. Then, get the other bed sheet, the third one, which is in the right side position. Okay. Right side position. Never mind if that is wrinkled, we'll do it later, the good ones, no? Then after that, fold this one all the way down until you reach to the blanket. Okay? Then make sure, fold another half. Then get the bed sheet, the third bed sheet. Place it on the bottom part of your bed. Yan. Okay? Once that is okay, then what you're going to do, put down this one, this other bed sheet. Then tuck on this side, tuck this part. Do not move around unless you are all set with one side. Proceed to the next side. Then tight. Make sure it's tight, not wrinkled. Then back again, your legs should be the one down, no? Bend your knee. Then do this one. Okay? One by one, you have to do it. Okay, then tuck this part. Then miter. So what you're going to do with the miter, check each sides, make sure that is okay. Then put it up, this part, make sure tuck all this corner, forming the 45 degrees. Okay. Then tuck this part, insert this one. Then proceed to the next side. Tuck again. Miter. Okay, then get the bed cover. Bed cover, put down the bed cover here. Put in the middle, okay? Middle, then open each sides, both sides. Okay? Then hold this part until you reach there. You reach here. But this bed cover is not good, or what you call, it's not good enough to reach here. We need to adjust so we can cover the pillow. Check both sides if that is equal, no? Okay. So once that is all set, you need to put the pillowcase. So you need to put the pillow one by one, no? Pillowcase. With this, we don't have pillow zipper. So if you have pillow zipper, it should be covered with the pillow zipper before placing it to the pillowcase. So we need to place these tags first when we put this pillowcase until you reach to the middle, and then wait. Once that is all set, you need to check both sides of the pillows. Okay, so that is good enough. Then you can tuck. Okay. Place one on the other side of the pillow, of the bed. Okay. Then take the other one, same procedure, same thing. Okay, cover this. Make a half. Put this one all the way down. Okay. Then do the same. Tuck this side first, and then do the other one. Then put on the bed. Make sure that it's facing to each other. If the bed is separated or single bed, the pillow should be facing this side by the window, and the other one going to the door. But if the bed is together like this one, queen bed, it should be facing to each other. Then cover up. Cover up with the bed cover. Same thing on the other side. Then you can push the bed. Okay. Then secure both sides of the bed. Make sure that it is equal, no? Cut